Just one of those days when everything went wrong. Carl's turbo went on his van. Emergency call out for a gate that had been hit by a wagon. I got a massive VAT bill that I've got to pay. You start questioning why you're even in business. It was one of those days. Good morning, YouTube. Bit different this morning. You can see I'm not at work. I'm actually at home. You'll see in a minute why. Renovations about to start this morning. I'm just waiting on him coming. I'm just doing a quick couple before I do. Cheers. But look, we're not going to have a kitchen, so getting a brewing now. So yeah, lads are off today actually. I give them a choice. I just had a little job to do. But they might as well do it tomorrow and get a full day in. So, and Carl were off because I think he were away this weekend. I think he's got young'un or something this morning or something. So it tied in alright for me with this builder starting this morning. So yeah, I shall keep you updated. I did have a job in Harrogate to go see this morning, but I've got another one in Harrogate to see tomorrow, so I've just told the school I'll come tomorrow instead. This is a small sort of galley kitchen. It's all getting ripped out, and then this wall's coming down to sort of this level, moving forward slightly. That's going to be where the hob is there. I'm going to get a new hob. It's going there, put extractor. So I'll open that up. This is going to move slightly that way. I'm going to have us dryer in there, I think it was. Obviously it's going to have us oven there, which is there at a minute. I think that's just going to, that's going to be fridge freezer that we're going to have in there. That's coming down. This silly, stupid cupboard thing here is coming down. That there when we moved in, and then we're all going to brick that up and put a breakfast bar there, but we're going to have this overhanging a bit and have a bit of a breakfast bar along here. Larder cupboards here, there, radiators getting moved, putting one over there, and then we're having a wall across here, there with a glass door in there. Obviously all new kitchen, and then going to have new flooring throughout here, timber flooring. Hopefully it all goes alright. Yeah, looking forward to it. And I can finally get it fenced from the outside, a bit more secure. So yeah, we'll update you on this shortly. Not a good start to a Monday. It's that call at Flad's next door. Little have been in again burgling. Cut his locks off. They haven't been in too hard since we upgraded his cameras, but and they've done Jim's here. They've done his wagon, and they've done his cabin. Getting bad. Little gets. Yeah, I've looked on cameras. Can't seem to see it. Yeah, I think they've come in over there somewhere. I'm not sure, but I've done them and done tea guy in the corner. What you need on a Monday, is it? Well, touch wood indoors this time, but no doubt they'll be back. Yeah, so I've just had a delivery. Turned up to a shop back. Some pipe for you see in the corner there. For a couple of automation jobs we've got coming up. And builders are down at our house. I've got another delivery down at office, so I'm going to go there next and pick that up. I've just nipped out office for a lot of mail. And in the meantime, my wife's school can't bother, want to load more. So I'm going up to meet the main guy there, sort of now. And I've had a few other calls. I haven't even had a chance to call back yet. So anyway, I shall I'll get up to Carlton Bolling now and meet Darren and then see what they want. I think he's on about, we originally did the first bit on the wall at the front road. I think he's on about where we stopped to like the boxing bungalow, I think they call it. From there down to main entrance gates he wants doing now. So I shall see when I get there. You see fencing behind me, we did uncrank posts there with a lot of gates, everything goes all the way up. And the one similar down here. And then it goes down to the main gates, which are down there. So I'll just get some measures now with my trusty old wheel. It's 400 across I'll do it probably 800 down back, although I've noticed a lot of things there, which might be a bit of an awkward one. But it's 400 across, 2.4 high. But I might have to put them in like half panels down there, so it's a bit steeper. Yeah, it's a bit steeper here, so definitely have to be in half panels or thirds or something like that. It's probably ending about here, where this lamppost is. Oh, I have to say, I don't think I was that busy today. I bloody hadn't stopped. Seen a few jobs, just quoted a few. Confirmed a couple of prices, had a couple of little jobs come in. They've been accepted. Just been doing all my admin stuff behind the scenes. So yeah, I'm just going to go back now to my house, see how my builder mate's getting on. Hopefully he's probably got our kitchen ripped out by now, I would have thought. Bit of progress, although end of day one. So yeah, I've took that stupid hideous cupboard out. Got carpet across there. Took door out. Took that door off. So I think we're going to put that door there, I believe. Get that for wallpaper. And all that is, that's like from the 60s, that, isn't it? And it was built. Not bad for the day, is it? Very good.
It would be a nice morning, wouldn't it, Jacob? All his emails have gone down and turbo's gone on my van.
I mean, I'm having a nice morning.
No, it's alright for you. Easy life over here, sunbathing, putting some metal up.
I'm looking at it, straight. It's like I'm in Greece, straight off.
And with some double leaf cladded gates for down in Coat Farm where we did the big long feather edge job, and I've done a single gate as well at other sides. He's actually just putting me some metal for my handrail at home as well. We started work early this morning, thought we'll get on top of the job. And I drove up for Jacob without radio on. Noticed a whirring. And it turns out my turbo's literally hanging on for dear life, so I'm going to have to strip that now. At least it's nice and easy to get to. I've done some of these before with the conventional engine in this way. To get down back of there is an absolute nightmare, so this one's nice and easy. So I'm going to see if I can find a rebuild locally, strip that, get it back on road today, all being well. Well, she's out. What car is anyway? That was the offending article. Luckily, because I literally heard it this morning, I've caught it. It's literally, if it's going to pick up that, it's just tickled inside of there, but bit of wet and dry, it's like new. I'll get away with that. So I'll see if I can go and get a new car now. Hopefully I can get one local. Seems to me none of these car places seems to open well after 9, and it's only about 8:15, so fingers crossed it'll be back together today anyway. Managed to get a car thanks to Puma Speed in Workfield. Cleaned everything up, got my car in, and then I've just had a phone call from Dave from Carlton Bollin. They've had a truck crash into the gates, so I'm gonna have to break off now. We'll see if we can straighten them so we can shut them. Well, I'll take that in and out in a day as well as out for a breakdown. We've opened a car garage.
So this is day 2, end of. We've got all that off now. All that. That's opened all this up, look. Steel in. New wall here. And they've stripped this wall off. Most of it. Still a bit there. I think they've got fed up. We'll do it rest tomorrow. But yeah, it's coming on, isn't it? All flooring's up now, look. All radiators are up. Looks weird with this wall here, isn't it? But it's opened it up, hasn't it? It's a shame we'll have a kitchen there now. So yeah, we're just up here. It's one of Carlton Bollin Trust gates. Delivery wagons hit that, look, so they can't shut them. But we're hoping. I mean, it's bent at bottom, Carl, isn't it? But think we could pull that with, man? I reckon so, don't you? What about a bit of belly power on it? Solid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Problem is that they're solid at the bottom of there.
Yeah.
Full coping off and all on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it snapped it. Look.
Yeah.
We're on about taking this down now because the gap's too small. He's gonna take this pillar down to there, and he's gonna take the pillar down to there. The only problem you might have is this then would have to be moved over there. It's on Paxton. The actual wire comes across there, look. And I'm hoping, obviously the box and everything's in there, which should have all your delights in there. And the tube is there. So I'm hoping that goes across there, look. You see the little track, which is there. So I'm hoping it goes across there. Obviously to that, you might be able to get your wires across. We will renew these so they're a metre wider by 2.4 metre high gates, but we'll just have we'll make ours to have arms on rather than them silly underground things. Good morning. Oof, Thursday already. Don't know where this week's gone. Sun's shining. Always feels better than it's sun, doesn't it? Shades on. It's about 9:30 now actually. We've been busy this morning. Me and Carl were in at just after 6 again, 6:30. But we've been doing some stuff in office earlier, and then we've been down to my house actually. Just give me hand moving. Well, him and Jordan, who was doing renovations, moved them into the garage. So we've got plaster coming tomorrow night. And I've got weekend to plaster new kitchen diner. So that's coming on great. Carl's up now. Gonna get on with some gates that he's doing. I think the cladded gates, I'm not sure, for a mate of his. I'm just gonna get on with office work now. I've got about 5 or so jobs to get on with. It's gone really busy the last few weeks. A bit of a stressful day yesterday, I don't know. I think I got some footage, I can't remember. That's how busy we were. Just one of those days when everything went wrong. You start questioning why you're even in business. It was one of those days. Flipping Carl's turbo went on his van. What else happened? Oh yeah, I got a massive VAT bill that I've got to pay. I know it's part of business, like, but it was just one thing after another yesterday. It just we got over it, we got it done. Oh yeah, and then I think I got some footage, emergency call out for a gate that had been hit by a wagon. We went and sorted that out, straightened it back up, which put it in a manual mode for them. They can use them now, because another company that actually installed them in first place won't come and help them. So we went straight out and sorted it. So, you know, obviously we're well in. And he wants a quote for some new gates, which I'm going to do. I'm just waiting on Matthew sending me his automation bits over. That's on my list today. I've got a load of fencing for these school jobs coming up. And a couple of other quotes that I can't remember right now, but yeah, busy. And it seems young Jacob's blobbed again. What's going on? I'll leave it at that for now and I'll update you shortly.
Right, it's gone pretty well. The gate's gone back on. It's finished. We've welded up. Got that post straight. Drilled him a new hole. And they're an old gate. It's got like an old antiquated slider system. Alright, Dale. Just shut that to baggy. The only thing we can't do is we can't get them level at the top because of that antiquated lock system. If it had a bit more adjustment, we could have, but that's as far as we can take them.
Yeah, your padlock, you can put it back on now if you want. Yeah. Obviously that'll stop them swinging when it's cold.
Day 4. Yeah, obviously that's all boarded. I don't know whether that was done yesterday. He's bonded these with plugs and that there, and the blue gritted, what they call blue grit, the wall, so then it'll just skim straight over. You can actually see and feel the grit in it. Look. But what they have done today, which was the main job, the internal downpipe, soil pipe, has all been removed, and they've actually put it on the outside external wall, coming out and back in, so an hole outside that wants concrete in. Not bad at all. Mostly bonded, alt holes, stuff like that. I'll put a bit over that, I think. Not quite sure what they're going to do here. But anyway, we'll leave that to them. Morning, beautiful again, look. Mid-morning now, keep forgetting to get a video for this thing. Lads were here, loaded up and went this morning. Done all my bit of admin this morning. Just going to have a bit of a chat with our Paul now and get back on with his admin, and then we'll start doing bits for John Bear soon. My pipe came, just getting stacked up for those jobs in holidays, as automation jobs. Just need to still buy some little boxes actually, you know, for where we turn direction. We can pull those wires through. Remember that? There's a place, key line's probably best for it down in Leeds, so I'll go down there, but yeah, I shall leave it at that for now and get back to you soon. Friday afternoon now, half day fence, what want to do? Carl's just been messing about on his Mahota vehicle. He sold it, he said.
Yeah, don't keep bringing it up.
Sold his brum brum. You selling wheels with him, are you?
Yeah, they're wet tyres then.
Alright. Oh yeah, so it's your track bike then?
Yeah.
Right.
I haven't been used for a fair few months.
Mm.
It all used to be that colour. Actually look nice, but
It don't look right comfy.
yeah.
Flipping it. Oh no. But yeah, we've had an interesting week here. Ups and downs as usual.
Mainly down.
Yeah, mainly downs. 1 forward, 2 back this week, but you get over it somehow, don't you? Obviously we're entering a busy period in a couple of weeks with schools and that, so Carl's got a load of gates to start knocking out for some of these schools. So I think we're gonna, Carl's just waiting for a guy coming to pick his bike up. He's already sold it and paid it already, I believe. He's waiting for him, and then I think he'll be off too. Brother's still in office, but I think he's gonna go soon, and I'm gonna get off early because I'm out tonight. So I'm gonna go home and get showered and sorted. So I've got plaster coming as well later, I think. We'll call it there, I think. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.